We continued to venture down the highway and made a quick stop at Lake Pearson. There were several other stops and vantage points along the way. Lake Pearson, close to Arthur's Pass, NP. After our romp at Castle Hill Conservatory, we continued our journey down Highway 73 through Arthur's Pass. New Zealand's famous South Island Alps run for 500 kilometers or 300 miles along the northwest edge of the island, with the entire coast on the other side simply called the West Coast. We were there during prime lupin season, and although they are an invasive North American plant, they are commonly associated around the world with New Zealand, and were ubiquitous wherever there was arable soil and near water. They sure are pretty.
The weather changes very quickly here, and the wind, we've been saying, is intense. Wow, look how crystal clear that water is. Oh man, there it is. Look at that. We did a Devil's Punch Bowl in Oregon. Seems to be a popular name, but here's another one. Another Devil's Punch Bowl, Arthur National Park. This is living. Woo!
At around the halfway point of the pass is the correspondingly named Arthur's Pass National Park. Once you come up to the entrance of the park, you can really feel that you have entered alpine country and are at 3,000 feet or 900 meters and climbing.
A little more out of the wind here in the trees, so nowhere near as cold.
There are only 3 roads that cut completely through the Alps, each designated as passes. We ventured down all 3. Arthur's Pass is named after Arthur Dudley Dobson, who was the first European to make the trek from Canterbury, where his father was one of the original settlers, through to the west coast in 1864. Maori were known to have taken a similar route for hundreds of years prior, crossing the challengingly rugged terrain during the summer months in search of punamu, the green stone which is often seen worn as jewelry in their culture. We spent a solid 7 or 8 hours in the park, and of course got a few hikes in as well. Here is a beautiful native parrot known as the kia.
There we go. Scenic lookout.
After that incredible drive through Arthur's Pass National Park, we made it to our home for the next couple of days in Hokitika. There's the beach right there, and look, the beautiful thing about New Zealand, you're in mountain gear, you drive a couple hours, and now all of a sudden it's time for Mai Tais and flip-flops, and I don't know, this place is something else. It keeps taking your words away.